Hey guys, Sai here. Welcome back. This video isn't like any other video I've posted before. It's an art commentary video. Is that what they call it? Well, anyway, I just wanted to talk about how it feels to be an artist who's not too good or not too bad to stop pursuing art. My life has been really hard and full of struggles that never end. But I'm not the only one. Others too have much harder lives. But that's not what I want to focus today. For me, art is my passion. When I draw, I feel something. I feel alive. But at the end of the day, also feel so disappointed. It's normal. Whenever I make something good, I then watch someone make a better drawing than me. I just can't help but compare. Obviously, they have worked hard and done so well to reach that level. Also, not to be so egoistic, there are so many other artists who don't draw so well but receive so much attention and love. I too want to be able to do what I love. I want to have this small, nice community who I can interact with. I see other artists have them, and yes, I understand to a certain extent why I don't have it yet. It's probably because I'm not that good or I don't post frequently. I know it's not only me, but other artists too. Right now, I'm pursuing my master's degree in business administration, and I fear that if I don't make it as an artist, I would not be able to pursue my passion. Because at the end of the day, I love art and I want to do it till I perish. Sometimes I feel like my art isn't good, but then some of my friends say it is. So I'm not really sure how to feel about that. I don't know why I'm not getting the same reach like fellow artists do. Maybe it's just the algorithm and my luck, because I am not lucky, not in life, not anywhere. There is so much pressure as well because of external factors like family and stuff. Sure, I'll get a job after my degree, but will I be happy? This is something many artists go through, and I don't want to go through it. Even though, as of now, there's nothing much to look forward to, I will never stop creating art. I love it when someone comes up to me and says, "Wow, you drew that? That's amazing." So I hope that one day I can make something of my art. To be honest, I really don't post art for clout or fame. I draw what I love and what I enjoy. But in reality, that's not enough because I gotta survive in the world and I'm currently making nothing with my art. Nor do I have a community, nor am I getting views or anything on platforms. This constant feeling of time running out has had me caged in this small space where I don't want to give up on the thing I love. Of course, I'm not giving up and will be creating art. You may have seen me posting Roblox videos recently. I did that because I thought maybe I could rack some views and maybe get something out of it. Thinking back, it was fun to a certain extent, but I feel like I was forcing myself to do it. So I decided not to do it for a while. Maybe I will do it in the future, but not so soon. If you're still here, thanks for listening and do not worry. I will be posting stuff on YouTube. I'll try my best to entertain the 5 to 6 people who genuinely watch my videos. Thanks to you, I never gave up. Well, that's it for now. I just want to gain something from my art because it's my dream to be an artist. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for listening. I'll see you next time. Until then, much love.